Hi everyone, today we will do the Toolbox theme from TryHackMe, and let's dive in with those. I will not read all of this. Let's go. The questions. So, how do you enter insert mode? How do we start entering text into our new Vim document? Typing. How do we return to command mode? Escape. How do we move the cursor left? H. Right is L. Cursor up is K. W. J. K. Down is J. And W was start a new word. How do we jump to the end of word? It's A. Insert before cursor. A. Beginning of the line is big A. How do we append after cursor? It's A. How do we append the end of the line? It's A. How do we make a new line under the current line? It's O. Blah blah blah. First of all, write file, a guide. Okay. How do we write the file but not exit? How do we write the file but don't exit as a root? It was write, don't sudo. How do we write and quit? Write and quit. How do we quit? How do we force quit? How do we save and quit for all active tabs? Right quit all. Okay, task 4. Cut, copy, paste. How do we copy a line? How do we copy 2 lines? How do we copy to the end of the line? How do we paste the clipboard content after the cursor? How do we paste the clipboard content before the cursor? How do we cut a line? What is wrong? We go back. How cut two lines, and this is cut a line. Okay, we come back how to cut the end of the line. How do we cut a character? It's X. I don't see, it was DD. Okay, task 5. Keep going. How do we search forward for a pattern? How do we search backward for a pattern? How do we repeat this search in the same direction? Plus N. How do we repeat this search in the opposite direction? It's N. How do we use grep to search for a pattern in multiple files? Plus vim grep. And how do we search for old and replace with new? Yeah. Huh? G. Old new G. Okay. That's all for today. See ya.